I still believe in learning, still believe in change, but some folks love the fire more than getting out the flames. So if I smile and don't engage, if I let silence take the stage, don't think I missed a point or quit. I just learned what can't be fixed. You can't fix stupid, but you can fix your peace. Quit banging on doors that won't ever speak. You can't fix stupid, so I set it free. That problem ain't mine, it ain't following me. Some things don't need fighting, just distance.